The following demonstration is a setup to study how virtual social support through avatars influences stress and memory. In this demo, two participants in a shared VR environment experience randomized stressful and calming sounds, along with AI-generated visual art. They wear standalone headsets and are with either the other participant's avatar, a computer-controlled avatar, or no one. E.g., ECG, and EOG data can be recorded during the VR experience to analyze their responses, and an image memory task follows the VR experience.
You will now get used to your virtual body. Look at yourself in the mirror and wave with your hand. What do you see in the image? What do you see in the image? What do you see in the image?
In the following demonstration, we explore the impact of haptic audio rendering on understanding. Participants wear standalone headsets with controllers featuring voice coil haptics and interact with a speaking avatar. The scene simulates hearing loss and hearing aid parameters, with and without the support of haptic audio rendering.
Hello, I'm your virtual guide, here to show you how we're transforming collaboration in shared XR spaces. Through co-presence, full-body embodiment, multimodal stimuli, and AI-driven optimization, I help enhance your brain's psychological and emotional engagement, turning every meeting into a meaningful and transformative experience.